Think you've seen it all? Think again. Hidden in the rugged beauty of the South Caucasus lies a country so rich in history, culture, and natural wonder, it's like stepping into a living museum. Welcome to Armenia, where ancient monasteries meet buzzing cafes, and every mountain has a story to tell. Over the next few minutes, we're going to journey together through this fascinating land, exploring its ancient past, vibrant present, and the heart of its people. So grab your virtual passport, and let's get started. First things first, let's get our bearings. Armenia, a small landlocked nation nestled in the South Caucasus, is a place where ancient history and modern life intertwine. Imagine a country slightly smaller than Belgium, tucked between Georgia to the north, Iran to the south, Turkey to the west, and Azerbaijan to the east. Now picture this. Armenia's story stretches back millennia, its culture blossoming even before the rise of Rome. Today, this nation of roughly 2.8 million people welcomes you with open arms. Most Armenians call the vibrant capital of Yerevan their home, a city that predates Rome yet pulsates with a youthful energy. As you navigate the bustling streets and charming cafes, you'll hear the melodic sounds of the Armenian language, a unique tongue with its own alphabet. And when it's time to pay for those delicious pastries or souvenirs, you'll use the Armenian dram, about 400 drams to your US dollar. But remember, the real value lies in the experiences you'll gather, not just the exchange rate. Now let's talk about resilience. In 2018, the world watched in awe as Armenia took center stage with its Velvet Revolution. Picture this. A peaceful grassroots movement fueled by the hopes and dreams of everyday Armenians. This wasn't a revolution of tanks and violence, but one of peaceful protests, resolute spirit, and an unwavering belief in a brighter future. The result? A corrupt government toppled without a single shot fired, replaced by a wave of democratic reforms and a renewed sense of national pride. Since then, Armenia has been on an inspiring journey of transformation, strengthening its democracy, rebuilding its infrastructure, and opening its doors wider than ever to curious travelers like you and me. It's a testament to the power of peaceful change and the enduring spirit of the Armenian people. Ready to experience Armenia's magic for yourself? Fantastic. Let's talk practicalities. Tourism in Armenia is experiencing a well-deserved surge, but it still retains that off-the-beaten-path charm, perfect for travelers seeking authentic experiences. The sweet spot for your visit? Spring to autumn offers the most pleasant weather for exploring ancient ruins and soaking in the natural beauty. And here's a bonus. If you're from the US, EU, or many other countries, you won't need a visa. Just pack your bags and your sense of adventure. One of the best things about traveling in Armenia, it's incredibly affordable. Whether you prefer the cozy charm of guest houses or the indulgence of luxury hotels, you'll find accommodations to fit every budget. Getting around is a breeze too. Hop on a marshrutka, a local shared minivan, for an authentic experience, hail a taxi for door-to-door convenience, or rent a car to explore at your own pace. Chapter 4. Armenia's must-see gems, from ancient wonders to modern marvels. Alright, let's talk highlights. Armenia is a treasure trove of experiences, but here are a few must-sees to add to your itinerary. First up, Yerevan, the heart and soul of Armenia. Lose yourself in the energy of Republic Square, marvel at the cascading architecture of the Cascade Complex, and treat your taste buds to a sip of world-renowned Armenian brandy at the Ararat factory. Next, prepare to be awestruck by Geghard Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site carved directly into a mountainside. It's a testament to human ingenuity and faith, leaving you breathless with its sheer audacity. And speaking of breathtaking, don't miss Garni Temple, a stunning Greco-Roman temple, the sole survivor of its kind in the post-Soviet realm. For a taste of natural splendor, head to Lake Sevan, one of the world's largest high-altitude lakes. Take a dip in its cool waters during the summer months and be sure to sample the local catch. Fresh-caught fish never tasted so good. Ready for an adventure? Journey to Geghard Monastery, perched dramatically on a cliff top. The best part? You'll reach it via the wings of Tatev, the world's longest reversible aerial tramway. Talk about a thrilling ride. And finally, escape to Dilijan, often called the Switzerland of Armenia. Imagine lush forests, serene lakes, and a tranquility that soothes the soul. The soul of Armenia: street life, local flavors, and the art of hospitality. Now let's dive into what truly makes Armenia special: its people and their incredible warmth. As you wander through Armenia's cities and villages, you'll encounter a vibrant tapestry of life. In Yerevan, elderly men engage in spirited chess matches in leafy parks, while kids on skateboards zip past, their laughter echoing through the squares. In the evenings, the air fills with the soulful melodies of jazz musicians, their music spilling out from cozy cafes. And oh, the food! Armenia's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of fresh ingredients and time-honored recipes. Indulge in korovats, succulent Armenian barbecue. Savor the sweetness of gata, a traditional pastry. And don't even think about leaving without trying lavish, the ubiquitous Armenian flatbread, fresh from a traditional tonir oven. And of course, no Armenian experience is complete without a cup of their strong, aromatic coffee. It's a ritual, a flavor, and a conversation starter all in one. Chapter 6. The Armenian People, where hospitality is an art form. Armenians are renowned for their hospitality. It's not just a cultural norm, it's woven into the fabric of their being. If you're lucky enough to receive an invitation to an Armenian home, be prepared for an experience you won't soon forget. You'll be welcomed like long-lost family, treated to a feast that seems to never end, and toasted with heartfelt words and genuine warmth. And yes, Armenian women are often admired for their beauty, graceful, elegant, and fiercely proud of their heritage. But more importantly, they are intelligent, multilingual, and deeply connected to their roots, embodying the strength and spirit of Armenia. But beyond any stereotype, it's the genuine warmth and kindness of the Armenian people that will stay with you long after you've said your goodbyes. Echoes of the past, rhythms of the present, exploring Armenia's culture and spirituality. Armenia's history is deeply intertwined with spirituality. In 301 AD, Armenia etched its name in the history books by becoming the first nation to embrace Christianity as its state religion. Today, the country is dotted with churches and monasteries, each a testament to centuries of faith and resilience. Even if you don't consider yourself religious, the weight of history and the palpable spirituality of these sacred spaces is something to behold. But Armenian culture is more than ancient stones and whispered prayers. Music, dance, and art pulse through the veins of this nation. Treat your ears to the haunting melodies of the duduk, a traditional Armenian woodwind instrument, or wander through Yerevan's modern art galleries, where you'll witness the fascinating interplay of ancient traditions and contemporary creativity. Armenia, an unforgettable journey awaits. So why should Armenia be on your travel bucket list? Because it's a destination that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a place where ancient history meets modern energy, where stunning landscapes are matched only by the warmth of its people. Whether you're a history buff, eager to explore millennia-old monasteries, a foodie ready to savor the flavors of a cuisine shaped by time and tradition, a nature lover seeking solace in breathtaking landscapes, or simply a curious soul yearning for an authentic travel experience, Armenia has something extraordinary to offer. You'll leave with more than just souvenirs and photographs. You'll carry with you the stories, the connections, and the spirit of this remarkable country. And who knows, you might even find yourself craving another taste of that delicious lavish. Until next time, Armenia, if Armenia wasn't on your travel list before, we hope it is now. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to discover more hidden gems around the world. And as the Armenians say, Shnor Hakalutyan. Thank you for watching.